welcome again today. Awesome Dogman readers.
How was it today?
As you can tell, I am in school, which aka I don't work for school, but I do go to work for school at home for Carly to get a better reader. So, I got some books for my short little classroom with fake people and one real person, which is, show yourself, is Carly. So, for the first book we got is Dogman Unleashed for the Dogman series. Sorry, but we were moving about a month ago and I lost Dogman, so the first one, so I don't know where it is. So yeah. Here is all of the chapters in the whole book. It's just a short little comic. It's actually a longer comic, but we are getting ready to make our own comic. I said, hey class, each of you are going to make your own comic. And I'm going to vote for the best comic. And I'm going to vote, you're going to get points and prizes for working hard and trying something. Not just have the cover. Not just have just the cover and something like that. We also have, the next one is Dogman Tale Two Kitties. I just skipped a page. Here are all the chapters of this book as well. See, it's building up my more chapters. The next book we have is Dogman A Tale of Two Kitties. Dogman and Cat Kitten. Carly Troutman. Here are these chapters in this book. And I'm going to read two chosen books on the back. So, and I've already chose my books, which are definitely not those three books. Next book we have Dogman, Lord of the Fleas. Here are all of the chapters.
We have 6 books each.
The next book we have is Dogman Brawl of the Wild. And it is Dogman Bad to the Bone. Dogman, you're under arrest. You're going to jail for a long time. Let's go, Bob.
Why do you call Bob?
Because he said that. You just gotta find out in that book to see how he gets arrested. The next book we got is the newest Dogman book called Dogman for Women.
You know when I identified what happened in the book because you knew money.
The next book we have is Dogman for Women. For Women the Ball Rolls. Let's begin. Here are all of the chapters in this book.
How many chapters are there?
Can good deeds outdo evil deeds? When awfulness arrives and evil... Stop talking. When awfulness arrives and evilness escalates, stirring defenders must dig deep. It's time to do good and Dogman for Women of all worlds. So those are all sneak peeks of all my Dogman books. So if you want to read more about Dogman, please subscribe to the channel. And I want to give a huge shout out to Teacher Talks and Teacher Talks Dogman. So they do a lot of Dogman videos. I didn't quite get that on camera, but I kind of got the falling down. So if you want to see more Dogman videos, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Teacher Talks Dogman and and Teacher Talks. And subscribe to any Dogman channel, obviously. And I have a challenge for you guys. Make your own channel. Make your own channel. Interview your parents and whoever. So, make your own YouTube channel. And make sure you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share the video with some people so those people can get good ideas. And then I can subscribe to your channel and I can tell everybody to subscribe to your channel. And make sure you comment down below nice comments on what other videos you would like
Hey guys,
me to do.